My voice is clear? Okay. Good evening, all. Today we have Gopalasamy sir here for our session. Let me introduce about him. He is a program manager of MSME, Viluppuram district. He has completed his engineering in Thoothukudi district from Anna University in 2009, and he completed his ME in Regional Center of University, Tirunelveli, in Anna University in the year of 2012. Currently, he is pursuing PhD Mechanical Engineering in University College of Engineering, Viluppuram, Anna University, in the area of wind energy. He has got more than 2 years of experience in Entrepreneurship Development Innovation Institute, Tamil Nadu, as District Program Manager, Viluppuram District. And he has got 4-year working experience in Jai Shri Ram Sai Engineering College, and then 6-year teaching experiences from Department of Aerospace Engineering in Karunya Institute, and he also worked in aeronautical engineering from the Raja Engineering College, and then he got a project student award in Advanced Composite Division, National Aerospace Laboratory, Bangalore. He also worked there for a period of 5 months. And thus, I concluded about the introduction of our guest of today. I invite Gopalasamy sir to continue the session.
Thank you, ma'am, for your introduction. I'm Gopalasamy. I'm working in MSME department, working as a district program manager in Viluppuram district. All of you seeing my screen? It's visible. My voice is audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Screen is
You're audible, sir. Yes, sir. Screen is visible.
Okay. So, smart city ecosystem and integrating technology with community is the today's topic. Is right, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Oh, yes. Okay. So, thank you for inviting me for this session. Today we are going to see about the smart city. What are the government initiatives there? What are the loan schemes are there? And what we know going to do in the next 20 years in AI systems and IoTs and all. I'm not technically a person for talking about technology for AI system and TOT and all. I'm going to just giving the focus in the next few years what we're going to do in our country. So smart city is a very keenly watched India governments converting the all cities into smart cities. We need AI supports and IoT and big data analysis supports for good infrastructure and public service and city engagements. The ecosystem should be built with support of government bodies and business people and community. For this, we need smart city thinking. For this, what are the government initiatives and schemes are there for supporting the entrepreneurs? That is, this is the initially I just want to show you what are the schemes are there to support the people, support the entrepreneurs, young entrepreneurs to grow up in this area. This I just wants to show you what are the schemes are there. New entrepreneurs come entrepreneurship development schemes, that is called needs scheme. Anybody's heard about this scheme? So this section I won't. It will be a lecture. Just I want answer from the people, those who are attending. Anybody's know about this scheme? New entrepreneurs come enterprises development scheme. I need to hear from audience. Ma'am, I'm audible. Excuse me.
Sir, you are audible only.
Audible.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. So, anybody's know about the scheme, need scheme? So I need some interaction. That's why. Can you answer, or all the mics are muted? Excuse me.
No, sir, there is no idea for
Okay. Just okay. I'll go through all those things. Then we'll discuss later. Okay. The NEET scheme is basically support the new entrepreneurs and training the financial supports to up to 5 crores. That is eligibility is to only 12th standards. Anybody uh, wants to make a new startups or something. If you want to make it, so we can use this. These schemes are in under the MSMEs department. You can contact the DIC office, that is district industrial center in each district throughout India. Anywhere the schemes and all, it is there. You can approach the people. Only you want your details of project report and your personal details. So any individual can apply this scheme. So any individual can apply the scheme and get the money from the bank, and you can start a new company based on emerging technology. If you have a skill or you have a knowledge about the technology, you can get the money from the scheme and start the new business. So for this, there is a contribution from 10 to 5% you need to contribute from the person. The remaining things you can get a loan from the government banks or any private banks and all. For this, we have a subsidy up to 25%, maximum limit up to 75 lakhs. Like that, there is a another scheme, unemployment youth employment generation scheme. This also it is for traders. If you want to become a trader, this is the options like that. Prime Minister Employment Generation Scheme, that is also up to 50 lakhs for the manufacturers. Like that, a lot of schemes are there. This is for Anna Ambedkar schemes. It is for only for SC/ST people. For eligibility for education is not there. New entrepreneurs and existing entrepreneurs also, they can apply up to 55 years old. The subsidy amount is maximum, there is 35%. Other schemes and all, it is only 25%. For a lot of schemes, the government is supporting people. This is for food industries. PMFME, like that, it is PMFME, it's mentioned Prime Minister Formulation Food Micro Food Processing Enterprises. This is only for the people manufacturing are related to the food industries. For it, the individual can take the scheme, or FPO or SHC, anybody can take the scheme and get the benefit from the governments. It is up to the project up to 35% will be subsidy with the project cost. Maximum subsidy is 10 lakhs. Like that, government supporting the people to become the new entrepreneurs. Anybody wants to, many people are there, educated people are there, professors are attending now. People are not aware about the schemes which is given by the government to support the entrepreneurs, or wants to become a new entrepreneurs from these educated people. Now only some people only they're doing, only 10-20% people are doing the entrepreneurship. Many professionals, many educated people are not doing they are going only for jobs or employment. They are not looking for the entrepreneurship. So I request all the people look for the entrepreneurship to grow our GDP. Only the entrepreneurs or business people can support the government to increase the GDP, and will get maximum GDP compared to other countries will be the developed nation. Okay, now we are in the developing nation only. Only we support government through the entrepreneurship or employment only. We'll get GDP growth is very high. We need to export the things. We need to export materials outside. Compared to now, the importing is very high compared to export. So export is more, we'll get maximum GDP. So these government are supporting many things. Not only this schemes, they are supporting through getting machines subsidies there, electricity subsidies there, lot of schemes, and already for entrepreneur you are getting installed or energy auditing is there. Or up to 3 years, 5 years, government subsidies and loans supporting the people are there. So become entrepreneurs is most important. So if you want to become an entrepreneur, you need to have innovative ideas to apply and get a new company. So innovative ideas is there, only the technology growth is there. So smart cities need a lot of technology to get into the very good knowledge and technically, then only you will apply into innovative things and get one new idea and get a new product or new process to make a company. Okay, the role of technologies in smart cities, that is, I think I just a little bit elaborated about government schemes. You just go to MSME website and see all those schemes, what are availabilities there. If you have a technically fit, you start a company for any futuristic advanced thing. It will support you. It will support you the maximum in future. Sorry, some noise interference is there. Some sensor. What are the things you need to look? So, technology wise, we are having the programming, computer knowledge, we have fit, but manufacturing of sensors, manufacturing of a lot of materials is very less compared to the China, compared to European countries. We are importing the boards, electronics boards, and items, materials, raw materials from the other countries. So if you are looking for the sensors and products developing in our country, it will be useful. So the smart cities need a lot of electronics items, lot of sensor item. So you have to make a sensor, or you look the technology in this area. Okay, if you want to light or dustbin or whatever it is, we need a electronic system to support it. So for that, we need to have sensors and embedded systems and circuit boards and a lot of things. You have to look the area of IoT, Internet of Thinking, and what are the product support needed for it. It will be very useful in the future. So another one is artificial intelligence and big data analysis. Lot of today's companies are looking only AI system supported machine learning process. Using the machine learning process, they are all the human works are going to be reduced. Lot of company already installed the machine learning systems and automated robots to work. Nowadays, the company peoples are industries people looking for automation peoples only. So if your people know the automations or AI driven analysis, you will get a more job or more company. If you want to start a new company, start with the machine learning. If you have a knowledge with machine learning, you have to start machine learning system. Support the already existing entrepreneurs, already existing company. Company needs automation because of nowadays all are educated. They don't want to work from the bottom level. The workers are very less. So the salary, if you give us high salary, also they don't want to do the lower end jobs. Only white collar jobs are the people are looking. The students they're getting only 20,000. They're ready to go for white job, white collar job. They're not going for any field work. So nowadays the mindset is like that. So all are automated. It's full of machine learning and robotic things are going to become in future. The system of robotics and AI driven systems are needed in this market. So if you want to do some research work or going to become a make a one company or going to make up an entrepreneur, look for a robotics or AI driven systems or any other supporting schemes, programming or any other things. It is very better in future. Okay, if you want to become a good financial in future, you start now the learning of AI systems or any other related machine learning process system or robots at all. Another one biggest important things are energy consumption and traffic control. A lot of things are there. All are based on AI. All things are going to become AI. So big data analysis and analyzing the very large amount of data, people, system, citizen behaviors, all are under this scheme. So if you want to make better in future, you have to look for AI driven systems or these are the energy consumption system and all. In future, there is a big demand for the energy. Governments are looking for the smart grids. That is, smart grid means it is reducing energy consumptions and renewable energy sources like wind energy, solar system, like that. If you concentrate on the energy system, it's in future. I just suggest entrepreneurs to concentrate on the energy system, like some people are doing in Kadalur district. One person is doing for bioelectricity, producing the bioelectricity using cow ducts. So using cow duct he is producing the biogas and compress the gas and giving the more energy from the getting the compressed CNG gas from this cow duct. So he have the processing unit from the cow duct to CNG gas. Okay, compressed natural gas. So like that, look the technology for simplify the process for converting normal biogas to CNG gas. It's needed for this world now. So the energy sector is growing up. A lot of renewable energy needed, solar energy, wind energy for sustainable urban development. For you know about smart city, like smart village in Coimbatore. There is a smart village in Mettupalayam town, a nearby town. In that particular people made a full village to sustainable energy village. He made full of that is smart village. It's a model village for the India. He made windmill. He made all the people are having solar powered homes, and he giving the power to the government and getting the revenue from the government every month. Like that, one smart village is there in the Coimbatore. Like that, if you Odandure, it's called Odandure village in Coimbatore. You can search in the Google what is Odandure village, what they are doing it. Full 2,000 people are living now. Earlier it was only 300 people are lived there. One Urachi Mantra head, he has village head. He has converted this village into smart village. He converted he get all the scheme using this scheme. get the loans and all the subsidies and grants from the governments got and applied in the village. Now the 2000 people are 2000 families are there. All the homes are fully. Earlier it was it is a ST village. It was a very poor village. Now there is no concrete construction. Now it is all finished concrete construction up to top floor. All are solar energy and windmill also. India, the first Indian village owned the windmill is that one, Vodangari village. So like that, all Indian cities need to be converted like that. 2015, our Pradhamar Modi announced the smart city mission to encourage to convert all the cities into smart cities. So a lot of lakes are revamped and made a park, and a lot of control units, traffic control units are made. All the cities now, all the big cities are come under the smart cities. In Tamil Nadu, there is Coimbatore, Madurai, Tirunelveli, and Tiruchi, Salem, Chennai. All these cities are going. Now their funding is there for converting smart cities. A lot of cities are already works are done. Around 3,000 crores are spent to converting smart cities from the central government. So all energy, the people are looking for all the area. Importantly, energy area. Okay, so energy area need more contribution to support the smart city. So if you want to look in future development, if you want to start a company or want to become an entrepreneur, look for energy systems, energy management system. You can do the audit also if you are the financial person. Energy, if you are a electrical person, you can study for the how to audit it and do the audit for many companies, or you can go for our government department also. You can do the audit, energy audit, and get minimum mentoring for a minimum energy. Like the smart transportation also is there. So nowadays you know the e-vehicles are going up. Intelligent traffic management system. So all from the control room they will inform or control the lighting system and signals, everything to monitor and reduce the people work in the traffic and control the lower emission. All the area, the sensors are fitting. What is the carbon level? What is the pollution level? All are monitored and controlled, and they have a remedial action to increase the emission is more like that. It is, the Delhi, a lot of emission. They have stopped the vehicle. Personal vehicles are stopped 3, 4, 5 years back, like that. It's all controlled by the smart cities. So smart traffic management need more innovation ideas. So work for that. You will get for Chennai. You see Chennai, lot of traffic. So how to reduce the traffic? How to make signals like that? If somebody's want to study, government will support where you want to get the data. Government will ready to give the data. Will contact us. Will get the data to what are the how to reduce the traffic. How to make a lot of plans are already made. A lot of bridges are constructed. A lot of one ways are there. So these are things are there. If any new AI ideas are there, it is always welcome. There are a lot of grants are there. MSME grant every year. The hackathon grant is there. In our department, Entrepreneurship Development Innovation Department, we have a IVP scheme, that is Innovation Voucher Program. If you give the idea, we'll give 2 lakhs rupees to support you for make a prototype or one step to idea to reality for grant. And one more 5 lakhs grant is there, same IVP voucher B. It is for the people who want to make a prototype to a marketing reality. Okay, so there is a 2 grant to support the people. If you have innovation idea, uh, that is IVP voucher A and IVP voucher B. You just go to department website, my department website, that is EDII .in or EDIITN.in or EDIITN.org. This website will help you. You go and apply. If you have an innovation idea, every month there is a review process. Apply it. They will call you for the interview. If you have selected, the good idea is good. Only if we have a good innovation idea, you will get a 2 lakhs rupees to convert the product or into reality. You want to make it a marketable product, you will get a 5 lakh rupees every month. We are giving in our head office, CDA head office now through R. Ambalawanan IAS is there in our director and head. So we'll support you for the innovation idea if you have. So now the community engaging system, public participation and government e-governance and equality access like that is there. So what are the things the government are doing for just making the community? One is big things are SSGs, self-help group. All of you heard about this self-help group. This is the we are so lot of countries are looking for the self-help group because 99.9% of loans are returned by self-help groups. All other interest loan, individual loans are only 70 to 60% only returned. But self-help groups, that is group of ladies are making on group or that is self-help group. That group returned all the loan amount, the scheme amounts or loan amount to the government. If they are getting a loan, they become an entrepreneur and returning it. For the governments have a lot of schemes. Tamil Nadu Livelihood Corporation, Tamil Nadu Livelihood Mission is there. They are supporting the lot of funds, through the lot of programs. They are supporting the people and collaborating the people. For each blocks, we are each collectorate there is a dividing the district each blocks, that through the blocks we are giving the loans to the schemes and monitoring the people how they are using the loans and supporting the people into entrepreneurship, how entrepreneur to become, what is the social need, social support is needed, or any other financial education is needed or not. Like that, we are giving the training to the lower level people, community to become entrepreneurs. And the government also needed the digital platform to monitor the peoples and self-help groups and the entrepreneurs or farmers to support the people. For a lot of farmers are there or NGOs are there, we are unable to connect the people through the digital mode. Nowadays, the phones are there, or a lot of digital platforms are there to support the people. NGOs, non-governmental organizations, and FPOs, that is farmer produced companies. Each farmer produced company is 250 to 1,000 farmers are there in this company. Like that, we need a digital platform to connect the people. For one small need is there, I just tell you, we need to connect all the farmers. We need to educate all the farmers. We need to educate all the NGOs. Like that, in throughout India, throughout Tamil Nadu, it is not possible. In Israel, you see weather conditions. The farmer will get all the weather conditions. Farmer will get all the monitoring systems, or any other crop problem is there, any other solution needed. Like that, all are monitored, or all advised. All the schemes are, all the benefits are going straightly to the farmers. Now it is not like that. Lot of intervention is there. Government unable to reach the farmers straightly without the platform. So the digital platform needed. So for government initiated a lot of platforms, but it is not come to the overall picture level. So we need a digital platform. You just see farmers unable to decide what is the cost of the food, what is their manufacturing. If one company people is there, they are manufacturing shoes or any other material, any other product, they fix the price. But farmers, they are unable to fix the price because of what is the demand is there. So the people knows how much is cultivating throughout the India. If paddy is there, if any other food item is there, if one digital system is there, how much people are cultivating every month, or anybody already seeded, going to get things into the next 3 months. Like that, any monitor system is there, they know. So all this, what is the requirement for the people for 1 tons? So we are making it 1,000 tons. So demand will be reduced. So look for the another food product like that. There is no advising or monitoring system for the farmers or many SMGs or entrepreneurs. So the digital platform is needed in future. Lot of mobile applications. Any article, any problem is there, you just interpret me. And smart governance, smart governance needed, controlling all the people and getting the data and monitoring the people. That is, transparency is also there. So one amount is there, like the government is giving some amount on for the one project, it is spent correctly or not, it is reached up to the lower level of people, like that we have to monitor it. For that, the smart governance system needed. Okay, that is also e-governance systems already is there. It is doing very good, but needed improvement. So any equality assess technology needed for a lot of things. So you have to look for it. So what are the challenges and considerations? We have so people are know about it. If you have a mobile, you are doing all the personal things on the mobile. The mobile are not safety. All the data. If you have a phone also, if you're talking to one person or personally talking or chatting, everything is recorded. Everything is recorded. So if you nothing is personal, you just see your YouTube or any social medias. What are the things you are talking? What are the things you are seeing in this website? All those things are, you will get advertisement about it. If you are talking about some insurance with your friends, you will get advertisement from the insurance people. Okay, so if you are talking about any medicine with your friends to the phone, you will get about medicine things or any food subsidies, supplements from the your advertisements. So advertisement is not coming for automatically. They are getting your data through your phone. The laptop and all you can off it, but your phone that is unable to stop your personal things. Whatever things are the phone. So digital marketing people, hackers, they can access your all the data. You are giving just hello, all those things. Otherwise, it won't work any app. If you want to work with the apps, you have to give permission. If you're giving the permission, all the data are automatically watched by the people. Anybody Anybody know the programs, anybody know the skill about seeing all the data, they can see. All the digital marketing people are doing like that only. I'm not blaming that people, but if I have our own company, I have a product for the women's. Okay, so I want to advertise the women's. So if you give the paper, how many people are reading the papers nowadays? So there is very less amount of people are only reading the paper. Now youngsters, they won't see the papers. Newspaper, they won't read it. All the things are looking for only mobile. News or anything, any books, anything they wants to see in mobile only. So you want to, any product you want to reach the people, your customer, target customer, you have to look for only social media advertisement or anything you want to see in the phone. Okay, so if I have one product like one product for women's, okay, so I want to sell it for women only. So I just have a one video or something. I need to advertisement for only women they wants to use. They have a. So if I tell you there is a meta program is there, change it. So only women needed to go. So if my product is only for pregnant women, that is also I can do it. All the pregnant women and locations. If my company is located, my marketing place is locating in Chennai, I can do it with the Chennai only. In Coimbatore or Coimbatore, any city also we can target and sell the send the advertisement to the particular people. If they open the phone and see the WhatsApp or any sorry, not WhatsApp, any social media, they will get automatically advertisement related to what they want. So like that, lot of data are automatically going to the particular marketing people. They, if they are good and well and good, that is okay. If they are some people, cybercrime people, it is very bad. You will get a trap. So protecting the citizen data from the cyber threats or ensuring the responsibility usage of data, it is very, very recently I have a phone call from some other country. They are telling my Aadhaar card number, showing that you have something you need to pay like that. Like that, immediately I called my cyber crimes and I complained it to the particular number. They calling from different numbers. So a lot of cyber crimes are happening nowadays. You have to look for security of your data, protecting your data, protecting citizen data. So governments are looking, spending a lot of funds for protecting the data. Okay, if you have a data analyst, you are the software analyst. You just look for how to protect the data, how to protect the people data. All the data are in the phone or mobile only. How to protect the people data. So the data selling the data is a big market now. So you have to challenge is very high. A lot of people are working. The salary also is very high. Those who are having the big data analysis, cyber crime analysis, they have a good salary now. A lot of countries needed. A lot of governments are needed. So look for it. And construction cost. Nowadays, construction materials are cost very high. In foreign countries, they are using only reusable construction materials like iron, wood, aluminum, like that reusable or it is destroyable materials only they are using it. So the natural material like concrete and stones and bricks and all, if you are using the infrastructure, the future of our people, okay, our children's and our grandchildren's, they will affect it. So government keenly watching infrastructure growth, infrastructure materials needed with the renewable. So in foreign countries, they are constructing full material. All importantly, they if you want a basement concrete, they will using other things. They are using with only iron bars and beams and columns and with basement of glass fiber, carbon fiber, and all the reusable and this for fiber materials to construct and glass to construct the full building. Hundreds of floors are constructed using only floors on other side material used by glass. A lot of things are there growing up. So the construction, we want to reduce the construction cost and also looking for the energy sources. Source of construction materials reusable like that. Nowadays, you have to look for if people are needed construction infrastructure development. That is also the cost is very high. So government wants to reduce this cost. So if you have any implementation to support, reduce the cost of constructions, you just send the proposal to the government. They will support you. Write the research paper. Bridging technology and digital tool is needed for a lot of digital marketing things. You just see for it. And what are the opportunities available for entrepreneurs? Tamil Nadu, Smart India, Smart AI system, entrepreneurs landscapes. There are a lot of opportunities there. One is urban mobility, one place to another place, and a lot of, if you see, 10 years back, if you're 10 or 20 years back, if you want to get a food from the hotel, you have to order it to the phone, or hotel people will come and give you, or you want to go and get it. Nowadays, you see the Swiggy, a lot of food delivery apps and food delivery peoples are there to bring you the food up to your home doorstep. So that is the good innovation idea. Like that, the medicine also is there. Medicine also, you can medicine and health advertisement, and doctors through the phones, all those things are coming through the phone. So now, so looking for any urban mobility, traffic. In future, I think in future, nowadays there is a drone taking medicines through the homes, hospital to the homes. In future, maybe you will get all those through the drones and people. You won't get a people to mobilize. So all those things become technologically supported or mobility like that. You want to go to anywhere, you can fly. Nowadays, there is a thinking for the flying cars. Already, the flying cars are invented, but it is not commercialized. They are looking for the flying cars to support. Flying drones are already there. They are improving up to the flying cars to moving one place to another place to the inside the city. Aircraft is already there, so helicopter is already there. It is flying very height and it is very dangerous. They're looking for the safety and easily operatable flying systems and energy management system and governance. These are the areas. There is a lot of opportunities there. You have to look for it. And the government's initiative supporting the AI-driven system cities are there. Already I informed you the smart cities mission, the focusing of the cities sustainability, efficient and citizen-friendly AI systems, digital technology. If you go and see the smart cities in the government, smartcities.gov.in, you will see a lot of initiated by government, lot of funds, codes are spent in each cities. You can see the videos and how much spent, how much remaining is there like that. Lakes are cleaned and converted into the lakes nearby the cities. It is cleaned and converted into a walking place to the people. Okay, it's done by a lot of cities. I have seen in the Coimbatore, in 3 or 4 lakes are converted into walking place. So then in Gujarat there is a floating solar plant is there. Okay, in the river, full of river, closed by using the solar panel and converting that particular river place into the solar panel plant. Okay, so the city getting power from the solar planet and water also will get saved from the sunlight. Okay. Like that, lot of project on light and safety for women. All the cities converted into 24/7. The light is grown on using the solar system, and a lot of city have a startup hubs. So in EDA we have 11 startup hubs throughout the Tamil Nadu. Like that, entrepreneurs development innovation of India having the startup hubs for all the cities, all the head of the states having the startup hubs. We have in EDA we have 11 startup hubs for agribusiness or business incubation centers. A lot of areas we have. So we looking for industry affordable house. PM Modi announced the house for the people. That constructing up to 10 floors, 20 floors, and giving the people in the cities. So the loyal financial people, loyal supporting financial people is supporting the government, supporting the low level financial people, giving the homes. Like that, city revamped and cleaned. Importantly, the city is having the biggest problem is waste management. Nowadays, that is solid waste management are doing their very good. All the cities having the good waste management system. They have they make the all solid waste into converting into some reusable products. Okay, so they are giving the some converting reusable product, and all the lakes nearby city, if there is no water, some other place from the river that is filled by the government. There's a pipe connection from the river and fill the lakes if it is dry. That is also they are doing very well. It will increase the water energy, water level, groundwater level from very high. Like that, lot of initiated work, and 70% of smart city works is completed. The government announced that 70% of smart city works is completed like that, and a lot of government schools are having these smart boards. It is very encouraging things. All the government schools having the smart classrooms, they're having computers, smart boards, they are using all the medias and website through the smart boards in the classroom. Now they are ensured one classroom, at least one classroom. Now the district, there is a full setup is there in the model schools, and they are converting each school in as a smart schools. So the fund one by one they are giving fund for each district to become a model schools like that. So the government school going to become in 10 years, they will become a full setup of model schools or a smart school, smart classrooms. Nowadays, now every class, every school, the government school having a computer and systems to use of people. Around each school, more than 50 computers are there. Students are using from 6th standards to higher standards. They are using the computers. That is also big achievement. Now, at least one classroom they're going to become a smart classroom. Smart board is there, interactive board is there like that. They are doing it. Governments are doing. It's very very important things to do these things. And some initiatives, major cities are Chennai, Coimbatore, Madurai, and Salem. the significant investment in the AI-powered infrastructure also is there. Nowadays, you see the construction and all, the only they're made with the pine columns and aluminum columns and with concrete and all. You just see in the you can visit your nearby cities. They see the any bus stand or new bus stand. They are not constructed by the concrete. You see all are pillars, 9 pillars and columns, and the top also it is not in concrete. The top also in some other seats it's made up of carbon fibers and glass fibers. So covering seats are used, not concrete. So the government are seeing all those things in smart like that. So in our department also, Entrepreneurs Development Innovation Institute, the funding for innovation voucher program is already told you 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs for inverters. For inverting anything or you have a new idea, you'll get a fund. So what I am recommended for future, I am recommended collaborative partnerships and focusing on sustainability skill development. What is needed for future? So I think in my suggestions, a lot of education systems, education people are working separately. Education people working separately, interested people and working separately for the need. They won't contact for education people or any research institute for support their problems. Interested people, they are doing their own work. Education people or academic people, they are doing their own work. A government, they are doing separate work. It is not collaborative with the partnership. So for that only, we are initiated incubation centers set up in government organization, that is especially for government education organization. We set up the 11 institution in the government education organization incubation centers. It is connecting entrepreneurs in and around the districts. So through the 10,000 of entrepreneurs we have, we are supporting all the areas, research and development, marketing, labeling, manufacturing, all the areas we are supporting the entrepreneurs, newly developing entrepreneurs. We are made a new entrepreneurs also. We supported educated people and convert that educated or unemployed people into the entrepreneurs. They are earning more and more. Lakhs and lakhs they are earning now. So through our that is we did it. Entrepreneurs Development Innovation Institute, we collaborate the system of education system and industries, that is entrepreneurs having industries. The connecting bridge is there, that is our incubations. So like that IIT has a lot of incubation centers, they have incubated a lot of companies and universities, some government universities and private university having the incubation center. And now a lot of institutions having incubation center, it is only named, only they are not going up to the base level of connecting the base people. So that is needed now. So collaborating the people with the government, and our incubation center is under the government. ATC, our company is ATC company. So the government, all the supports and fund directly goes to incubation center through our department, and it will distribute it to the entrepreneurs and distribute to the education institute also. So like that, we need a space for working the people. For any entrepreneurs wants to come. Education people support for the entrepreneurs. You just support the people. So for that we have if you work for the entrepreneurs, they will pay some amount, minimum amount for getting service from you, and you will get also revenue from the people. So like that. So if you want to collaborate the people who just start the incubation center, work in the incubation center, connect the government, or just visit to meet collectors and district managers, district industrial center is there in every district. So just go and visit and meet the general manager. Ask what is needed for the entrepreneurs, what is needed for the businessman. Any support is needed, any research is needed. Ask them; they will give lot of problems and lot of statements. It will useful to you get a good idea or innovation idea. They need something. If you get a solution for the need, you will get an innovation idea. So just visit and meet the DAC manager, DAC general manager, or any um, government employees. You can write a letter to the collector also. So we are so and so. We are working here. If any support we needed, you just connect us, sir. Like that, if you give any one letter to the collector, each district collector has a lot of work need to be do. Lot of support from the people they want. So if ready to work for the people, you just write to the collector. They will every Monday. It is GDP only. Anybody can meet the collector. Okay, you can write a letter and you can give the letter to on hand to the collector. Immediately he will read and he will check out and he will take action immediately. If anything wants to do with the department, it will take action by within the week. Okay, so every Monday you can meet the collector and get you can meet and see. Or if you want to give some idea, you want to talk to personally or you want to invite, you can connect the PC like that. Clerk. And focusing on next the collaborating system. Government also has a lot of collaboration with people, like a lot of project is there. Like in Tamil Nadu government, I am telling, I don't know how many of you from the Tamil Nadu, but I'll tell you what are the things. Women for women's lot of initiatives there. There is the separate department for Mahalir Thittam, women's department. So there is separate project director is there. They're looking for only women's development and support the people. Okay, they're giving training, they're giving the moral support, they're giving the subsidy, they're getting the loan from the banks, all those things. In Tamil Nadu, in Viluppuram district, there is a Vandhugatu Thittam. One black is the doing very best in India. If India, that is the best blacks in the Vikrabadi black, they are doing the very best. If World Bank is giving subsidy amount, the World Bank coming to the India, they are looking only the Vikrabadi black. They're doing very best. 300 entrepreneurs have developed the last 3 years. They're doing and exporting manufacturing things in everywhere. When export, they are doing export also. Lot of things are they making. Even the paper plate too. A lot of governments and a lot of things are they making it. Food items, coconut and a lot of groundnuts, groundnut cakes and a lot of things are making it and selling through the online market, also exporting it. So this and Vandhugatu Thittam also is there. They are supporting a lot of peoples to the government, and government schemes already we discussed. So government are initiated a lot of things, but we need awareness. Education people, please visit to government departments and governments. Somebody's are not helping mind, but nowadays all the government's department peoples are like to help the educated people. Okay, please visit to the government departments and get the information. And you can use yourself, or you can give suggestions to the students, or you can give suggestions to your neighborhood. Or finally, we need some improvement. That's all. So the focus in sustainability, urban development. So it's a green technology and needed. That is a sustainability goal. Is their global sustainability goal. 17 goals are there. You will just see global sustainable goals. In that, all the areas is covered: food, water, energy, place. All those things are covered. The green technology. is needed now. So a lot of pollution are there, resources are very less. So they want to extract the oil from the ground and all. It will affect the ground and farmers areas and all. So what the green technology available? Already I discussed biogas production to CNG, or like that any coal production or any windmills, and if we have a lot of ocean, so ocean seashore is there compared to other countries. We have good seashore. If you fit the windmill into all the seashore or any ocean, there is a turbine. Fit there will get a lot of green energy. The governments are looking for the wind turbine, wind energy also, but not implemented up to the level of need, up to the level of requirement of energy. So only they are looking for the coal mine, the steam production, or gas turbine, wind gas turbine energy production system only. Uh, Not for green energy. They're nowadays the growing up, they're spending money, lakhs and lakhs, but not up to the requirement level. Okay. So if anybody wants, nowadays the government recently opened energy you can extract from the water from the private land. Okay, if you any river or anything floating nearby your own place or any private place, they can use that water flow and get energy from. You can set up any company to make energy from the water. Like that, they are earlier it was not there. The permission is not there using the water sources to get energy. Now only the government will do. Earlier, now they are open to all the private or anybody, any individual can get the energy from the water sources and sell to the government, get a benefit from it. Like that, earlier it was not there. Now the opened, recently the opened, any private organization, anybody's use the water sources, get the energy. Okay, like that, dams are built. Small dams are you can build and get the energy from that. Okay, so what are the skill needed? Okay, next is the skill development. The demands for the AI talents is continued growth for the smart city. Initially, I want to tell you something. What are the skills needed? A lot of people are unemployment. They're telling that a lot of unemployment is there. So I'm personally I've worked in private institution, private university. I worked in placements also, industrial placement officer also. I see I see a lot of works are there. If you have a skill, you will get it. So if you don't have a skill, you won't get a job. So if anybody wants work, they should have a skill. So government have some initiative in the skill development. Every district has in all the throughout the India, all the district has some training institution, free training institution. It's called RCT, Rural Self-Employment Training Institute. Okay, RCT or SETI, Rural Self-Employment Training Institute. Okay, every district is there, one institute is there. There is a director, and lot of trainings are going on. Any mobile repair and service training, any new technology they will adopt. TV service technology, the smart TV service technology, mobile bike, and AC, electrician. All the if you have a minimum qualification 8 pass, you can go and study there. Any uneducated people and all, they can go and study there 30 days, 45 days, free classes they are giving. It is funded by the lead bank of each district. Lead bank means number of banks is more in the district. That is a lead bank. There is the manager also is there for the lead bank. He will be controlled all the banks, manages all the banks throughout the district, and that manager will be under our district head collector. any schemes, any subsidies through the manager only, it will distribute it to the other banks. So the lead bank funded the training institution freely for the people. Anybody wants to do the training, you can go and approach the people, then register it, they will call you for the training. Like that, a lot of free trainings there in the training. But nowadays the need AI talent, that is all our artificial intelligence and robotics training only. Okay, the people also, they are ready to give the artificial intelligence training. If they call, if you call the director of RCT, they, if you have a people of minimum 30 people, they will send you the resource person freely. They will pay for resource person, they will give the training in your area also, not in anywhere. If you have a 30 number of people, minimum 30 people, they will send you the resource person with all the equipments. They will train you on your place. Any rural place also, they will come and train you. Like that, for women, they have a teaching dress, making a dress or handloom. All the trainings are there. You just visit your district. And nowadays, needed AI talent things. Now the private companies are making more money using artificial intelligence training. So if you have a knowledge in artificial intelligence, you just start a training company, or you just collaborated with any training company, or you just collaborated with the government training institutes like RCTs or EDIA. Come and meet us. We'll support you and give the training to all the publics, all the peoples. We have fund from the government. We can give the training to the people. So like that. So the AI talents system needed now. Now it is needed. So just you in future, it will be a advanced AI system will be there. A lot of coming new technologies are coming. We don't know now. We have speaking about these things. Tomorrow going to change. So please, looking for future system skill development schemes. So just want to conclude, integrate technology and communication engagement systems, essential for smart city ecosystems. You just looking for it, technology wise, community engagement wise, and energy wise. So energy sustainability, city need all those things: environmental and life safety, quality, and balancing the technology. A lot of things they needed. So just look for the development of city, and also you have to develop. Each individual should develop through this technology. Each individuals, you just develop your skills. Using that, you can start a small company or support a small company, earning some fund also, and support the government and support the industries grow well. If you have support the government, they will support to the grant. If you have any new ideas, government wants idea only. If you have new idea, please come to us. We'll fund, we'll grant it. Not only our Indian government. If you have new ideas, a lot of company government, a lot of countries governments are there to support you. In IIT Business Center, foreign money is there. Foreign people, the foreign governments, they wants to support Indian people. If you have a new idea, want to develop the new idea and get into make a product or get into the commercialization, they're going to support you very well. They are going to give you the office place. They will give you the technology. They will support you through the manpower. What you needed, they will ready to support. If you have a creative idea, if you have a good idea, they will support you through funding or grant, like that. If you want to make a company, they will give the loans also. So that's all. What are the things I want to share with you? I'll share you. I'm not technically share this things. I just want to show you what is needed, what is government's going to support you, all those things. So if you want to ask some questions, you can ask now. Ma'am, anybody wants to ask questions or?
Participants, if you have any queries, you kindly unmute yourself and you can ask questions or else post in the chat box.
So thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for your nice presentation on how to integrate technology with the community system, as well as you have given information about MSME and then opportunities provided by the government sectors and funding, and how funding is given by the government and some initiatives done by the government. And I hope so that participants gain knowledge about how to integrate the technology with the community, as well as got some information about the MSME and then government initiative also. Participants, any questions you can ask. Or you can post it in the chat box also.
Okay.
Ma'am, no queries, I think so, ma'am. They were very clear.
Okay. Shall you wind up?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
So thank you, sir, once again
Thank
on
you.
behalf of Faculty of Engineering and Technology. We thank you for the nice session, sir. Thank you once again, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. And then dear participants, shall we continue?
Participants, the feedback link for this sections is posted in the chat box. Kindly fill it and remain in the link. Within 10 minutes, the next section will be starting and the resource person will join us. Thank you.